Esosonics has become such a wonderful tool in oral, endodontic, and implant surgery. The new machines are highly efficient, and it really makes fun to use it because it's a pressureless cut, very precise due to the laminar flow of the irrigation solution and the cavitation effect. It's also a cool and a bloodless cut. And most important, it is a selective cut for different tissues, which allows us to protect the Schneiderian membrane and the infraalveolar nerve. In my presentation, I will summarize the applications with different clinical cases, and I will share with you the tips and tricks of my clinical expertise. I'm looking forward to meeting you on November 18th. Bye.